This video explains how to load paper into the Xerox VersaLink C625 Color Multifunction Printer. Trays 1 through 5 hold 550 sheets each and are intended for large jobs that use standard media. The 100-sheet bypass tray is intended for small quantity jobs that use special media. To load paper in Tray 1, pull the tray out. Move the paper guides out. Fan the stack of paper, then load it into the tray. Adjust the guides to fit the paper size. For best results, do not load the paper above the maximum fill line. Overfilling the tray can cause paper jams. Slide the tray back in. When you close the tray, the control panel displays the paper tray properties. If the properties match the paper you loaded, touch Confirm. If not, change the properties to match the paper, then touch Confirm. To load oversized paper, open the bypass tray and slide the support to the left. For larger paper sizes, pull the extension tray out. Move the width guides to the edges of the tray. Fan the stack of paper, then load it into the tray. Adjust the guides to fit the paper size. When the tray is loaded, the control panel displays the paper tray properties. Once proper selections have been made, touch Confirm. If you aren't sure about the paper type, read the label on the end of the paper package. For more information, refer to the Xerox VersaLink C625 Color Multifunction Printer User Guide.